Hey, so you've picked a card template, but now you want to make it your own, right? Customizing templates is easy, and in this guide, I'll show you how to edit, style, and personalize any template to fit your brand or style. Go to card.co and log into your account. Then open the template you want to customize from your dashboard. Make sure it's saved before you start editing. Click on any text element to change headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Update the copy to reflect your own message, brand, or project. Replace the template's placeholder images with your own photos, graphics, or videos. You can upload files directly or link to external media. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. You can change background colors, text colors, and font styles for headings and paragraphs. Drag and drop sections to reorganize your layout. Remove sections you don't need, or duplicate sections for repeated content like testimonials or features. Want to add something new? Use the Add Element button to insert buttons, forms, videos, or custom HTML blocks. Update button links to point to your website, social media, or other sections of your page. Make sure buttons open in the correct tab. Click Preview to see how your customized template looks on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments to spacing, alignment, and responsiveness as needed. When you're happy with your customization, save your changes and click Publish. Free users get a card.co subdomain, while pro users can use a custom domain. So yeah, that's how you customize card templates. Edit text and images, change colors and fonts, rearrange sections, add new elements, then preview and publish. With a few tweaks, your template can feel totally unique and professional.